I was a no-win case. I was asked by Dr. Norris if it was possible to play top tennis after having one of these surgeries. And the answer is emphatically yes, you can. You can play at whatever level you would have played at. I would say give or take very little. After my shoulder replacement, it was 3 months before I could play tennis, and I won my first tournament at the end of 4 months. My internist didn't think it was possible, but it felt good, so I tried it and it worked. In the 65 division, I played more that year. I was #1 in the world. I had my successes beginning at with the under 11 championships in San Francisco. And I told one young lady about age 14 that I would go to Wimbledon. She never believed me. Of course, I didn't believe myself at the time. So at the age of 23, just as soon as I got out of service with the Army in World War II, the U.S. Tennis Association selected Kramer and me to represent the U.S. over in Wimbledon. And I was an unseeded player there, but I got some breaks and I played well and reached the semis, the finals, and the quarters of the singles in a period of 3 years. And then I had the best doubles partner in the world, who was Jack Kramer. So we won the men's doubles. It was 1950. I reached the finals of the Open against Kramer and lost to him. I didn't want to win because it would have spoiled his pro career, so we let him take the money and the championship. And then he was gone, and he made a lot of money, and they named the racket after him, the Wilson racket.
Tom, given your experience now, having had a shoulder arthroplasty, what advice do you have to an aspiring tennis player who develops arthritis and wants to continue playing?
Get to a doctor who specializes in shoulders, and get his opinion, and see if they can't live with it, and see if he doesn't think that surgery will help.